ASP.NET versus PHP. Which is better for web development? ASP.NET versus PHP is an ongoing database in the world of programming, and their rivalry is only escalated by their popularity. Statistics show that the dominating market share of backend technologies is owned by these two programming languages. PHP is a mix between a programming language and a web framework, whereas NET is a straight application framework. But when it comes down to it, which is better for you? In this video, we will be comparing ASP.NET and PHP and their pros and cons in the current market, so you can select the right technology stack for your next web development project. ASP.NET was developed by Microsoft to provide web development tools to produce dynamic web pages, web applications and web solutions. The frameworks for ASP.NET are written in .NET language and support Visual Basic .NET, JavaScript .NET and languages like Python and Perl. Pros: flexibility. With ASP.NET, the developer can add and remove features as and when needed. Ease of setting up. It is relatively easy to get started with this framework due to its focus on functionalities. Compatibility. ASP.NET has better interoperability with other .NET frameworks. Cons. The framework has a few cons, including difficulty in making changes, documentation gaps, lack of supporting tools and certain basic features. PHP is an open source programming language that is used for web development and can be embedded into HTML. The best thing about PHP is that it's great for beginners, as it allows simple coding techniques, and also for professional programmers because all of the advanced features it offers. Pros: speed. One of the biggest advantages of PHP is development speed. The market demands faster app development, and PHP delivers that benefit to any mobile app development company that does not multiple productions in one day. Security. The framework is not only fast but ensures the security of the application. Easy upkeep. PHP is also easier to maintain and has a huge community of developers providing help whenever needed. Cons. The cons of PHP involve slower execution, lack of ability to solve specific problems, and longer time to master the framework. Conclusion. To conclude, there is no definite answer to the ASP.NET versus PHP argument. The final decision will always depend on the company's requirement and available resources. We hope this video helped you to get an idea of which programming language you might be more suitable for your web development needs. Share your feedback and suggestions in the comments.